Thank you. I'd like to move the bill and request to be a co-author also. And I want to say I respect the work that you do. And I wasn't going to speak on this, but listening to Delta speak, I have to say, representing a county that where Delta actually used to operate, and now just about every single person I know no longer has a provider that takes Delta. It's a very, very difficult situation. And what we hear time and again is that they just can't afford to take your coverage anymore. And so for over 20 years, many, many people in my community were very, very strong Delta advocates and now are really kind of left holding the bag, not being able to find a dentist. And so I am super concerned actually that you've come to oppose the bill, knowing the kind of struggle that my constituents face. And so anyway, I appreciate the work the author's doing. I hope you can continue, as always, that you can continue to work with opposition. I do think that there's probably a pathway in here, but I would be remiss if I didn't speak up to for my constituents that for so many years thought they had good insurance and now really have nothing.